Back section.
The big part. Look at that.
Check that out. It's like a brushed gloss black.
Oh, I see that.
Kind of feel to it. And then this is crazy. I have never seen this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name is Nestor and today we finally have ourselves a catback exhaust that we're putting on the G87 M2. So obviously there's a lot of options out there for exhausts and I'm very happy with my selection here. We ended up going with the one and only TFL Italy. Now obviously it looks like a rat has already chewed through this. I could not wait. It's been sitting here for like a full week and the main reason was just because of the cold weather. TFL Italy, they're an exhaust company that makes their exhausts by hand in Italy 100%. So it's a quality system. It's not going to only increase the volume on the exhaust, but also it's going to make the actual resonance and the sound really, really good. I can't tell you guys how many exhausts I've seen online for this platform that just raise the actual volume, but include like raspiness, some droniness, just kind of sounds that aren't very good. They're not engineered properly. And so also I did partner up with TFL Italy to give you guys an awesome discount code. And this is going to be very, very limited. There's only 2 units available at this discount code. So you can get this exhaust for your G87 for, I believe it's 30% off plus 50% off shipping if you use code Daily Downshift. So go on their website, shoot them a message, let them know Daily Downshift sent you. First come, first serve. Whoever gets it, congratulations. And then afterwards, if those 2 discount codes are used up, you guys can use Daily Downshift for just a flat 15% off.
I see a hat already. I see something I want. I don't have an exhaust, but maybe I get a hat out of this.
There you go, congratulations. That's my gift to you.
Nice.
So we have ourselves, these I think are kind of the connecting pipes. Put this on the table over here. This is one of the pieces. These are resonators right here. So this is supposed to make the sound profile a lot cleaner. This is gonna help out a lot. And then here's a little sneak peek at what the actual tailpipes look like.
Ooh, the tips,
got the TFL logo right there. It's like a brushed gloss black.
Oh, I see that here. Yeah,
I don't know how to really explain it. As you can see, it's got cut off angle. It's not just flat.
Is it bigger than stock?
Absolutely, much bigger than stock. So that's gonna look sick on the back end. So it looks like we also have some more connecting pipes here. We have ourselves the axle back section.
The big part. Look at that.
Check that out. Oh,
that
it's
is a
so
big boy.
badass. Tailpipes over here.
Maybe underneath all that stuff. There you go. Okay, there we go. Nicely wrapped.
Wait, what kind? Check this out. What is that? That's so cool.
Wow, that's intricate.
It's like a very intricate. Is that a welding job? Wow. And yeah, I mean, overall, this is pretty light for an axle back. It's really not that heavy. Okay, guys, so we have everything kind of laid out here. As you guys can see, we have the tailpipes, additional hardware. These are kind of like the connecting pipes. Obviously, you have the resonators. That's going to help us with a really nice, clean sound. I always recommend adding resonators to give yourself a cleaner sound instead of one of those really obnoxious, raspy, just crap sounds you don't want on a BMW. Then the actual axle back. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Check out the weldings that we have on this. The coloration's nice. This is wrapped in a really nice heat shielding. Looks really nice. Has a nice kind of feel to it. And then this is crazy. I have never seen this. Big shout out to TFL Italy. That looks absolutely badass. Beautiful. Definitely has that Italian touch on it, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and raise the actual car up using the quick jacks and get this show on the road. Okay, car is up in the air. Look how big this dude is. Oh my God, this thing's massive. We have to take off a couple set of hangers there. I think it's just a 13mm for pretty much everything. So one on this side, one on that side. We have these guys here. These are the valve controllers. Got to disconnect on both sides over here. Another set of hangers, one on each side. And then we have the brace that we already took out here. Everything utilizes a 13mm, so it makes our job really, really easy. We have one hanger on this side. Oddly enough, there isn't one on that side. Then we unscrewed one bolt here, and then last but not least, it's just these 2 right here. Everything's a 13mm bolt and nut, so it comes off super easily. Got the Skil tool as always, helping us out, making the job nice and easy.
Extender.
Alrighty, so Nestor's doing the last couple of bolts. That's gonna drop it, and here it comes. And we're gonna try to drag this whole thing out in one go. She's coming. Okay, going down, going down, going down.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
Good?
Yep.
Alright, we're coming out.
Stop. Keep going.
You drop it there now.
All right, we're good.
All right, sweet.
Okay, so we're gonna weigh myself right now, guys. Yeah, hopefully you guys can see that. It's 161.6. Now I'm gonna grab the exhaust. I'm gonna pick it up, hopefully balance pretty easily here.
This is heavy, dude.
Okay, hold on.
let's
Just
get this out
bring
of
it
the
over here. Okay, so I was 161.
I'll look at it as well in case you guys miss it.
Oh, hold on, I gotta balance myself. 245.8. We just weighed the exhaust. So we did the math on the calculator. It is 84.2 pounds. Look at this fat boy. And then, you know, we got resonator, secondary cats. So much bulk with this exhaust. I'm hoping it's at least a 20-pound difference, but we'll see in just a second. First thing, this is basically the axle back. We have a total weight of 185.8. 180.6. 173 on the dot. Okay, and then these are the last things. We have 4 tailpipes and the 2 massive clamps, and that's absolutely everything that's going on the car. 170.6. Now the moment of truth, all right?
We're gonna do some math here, so we'll be
Yeah,
back.
this is gonna be quite a bit of math. Okay, so the final number is in, ladies and gents. 61.2 pounds for the full system. We added everything up, and the OEM was about 84.5, let's just call it 85 flat. So we're looking at almost 25-pound weight savings. That's a really nice weight savings, and most of that is coming from the fact that we're getting rid of these secondary cats, we're getting rid of one of these reses, and then of course the muffler back here is a lot smaller. I'll take any bit of weight savings that I can get because this is a car that I do want to track a lot this season. Hopefully that means we'll have slightly faster lap times as well. Okay, so we're just gonna test fitting everything, making sure we know where everything goes. Very simple to put back on. We screwed them in on both sides. We're loosening up every single one of these C-clamp connections. We got the hangers on, one over here, one over on this side. You guys can barely see because it's falling. We got the back 2 hangers on, and then finally the front on. We put the these 2 pipes, loosely connected them. We got one of the hangers up here, 13 millimeter. We're gonna be adjusting these obviously, so we want to make sure there's a lot of, you know, play with these so that we can fit everything really nicely, and then same thing on this side. So next up, we're gonna connect the actual H-pipe with the resonators. Because there's no hangers on this, I don't want it to just hold freely. We're gonna put this brace on right after, hold it up in place. We put the brace on, of course, and then we got these connectors, sleeves right here, all bolted up nicely. Hanger here, we still have to attach right there. Got to attach it on this side as well, but clears the differential nicely. And yeah, we bolted that up as well. We basically just have to go ahead and plug these guys back into here. This exhaust is going to sound absolutely phenomenal. I think it's time we wake this exhaust up, go for a drive, give you guys our first impressions, reactions to it. I'm really excited. This is gonna be fun, guys. Let's go out and do it.
Comfort, baby.
You can hear how much bassier it is though. Like, put your head right beside it. Yeah, right? You feel it.
Oh, that turbo.
That was valves closed, right? Ooh. I think it's time we put into Sport Plus and open up the valves.
It's open.
Ready?
Yep.
Damn.
Tastes good.
Okay, that sounds pretty insane.
Tastes Italian, you know?
And it has such a like a deep punch to it, you know what I mean?
That's nice, that's nice.
And then it's got the burbles, the crackles too.
Oh yeah.
I cannot wait till we go out and give this thing a nice rip tomorrow into some daylight.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's just go ahead and skip to that right now. Now what we're gonna do first is we're going to give you guys a listen with the windows down in comfort.
Okay.
And then we're gonna pop it into Sport Plus and you can really hear this thing sing.
sounds crispy.
Yeah, with the windows down, you definitely hear the tone. It's much, much stronger. Wow.
I like that it's not too crazy.
Yeah, no,
you can daily it. I love that about it.
Yeah, that's the great thing about riding with the valves closed with this exhaust. It almost doesn't sound much different than the car in standard form, which is awesome because when you are in comfort with the valves closed, you want to be quiet, right? We are going to now hear what this thing sounds like with the valves open all the way. DSC off, so that's like the best mode for, you know, valves being open as much as possible. Windows are up.
Oh, already AK-47.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Just sings.
It's pulling like it's got more power too.
Yeah, that is a clean and crisp exhaust. Oh, can feel it in my seat, man.
Yeah.
Oh. That's an AK, right?
Between 3,000 and 5,000 is where you get like all the good sounds. So
Okay.
yeah.
Oh yeah, that'll do it. Oh yes. Oh. That's so good. That is so good.
Now that'll do nicely right there, guys.
That is good. Under load. That's where it's nice.
I think this might be the best M2 G87 exhaust on the market.
It's the best one I've heard.
You know, not only are you getting that awesome sound, you're getting a clean tone. It's handmade in Italy, and at the same time, it's saving you 25 pounds. Gotta be the best one for me, guys. Woo!
It just keeps doing it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm not gonna get tired of that. I'll tell you guys that much.
You got a little bit of spin there.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
A couple downshifts for good measure.
Oh. Cool.
The TFL Italy way, baby.
It's so clean.
That's how exhaust should sound.
Yes.
No garbage, loud, raspy tones. Just clean, exotic tones with a good amount of burbles, cracks, and gunshots for added measure.
And then when you don't want it, back to comfort.
Exactly.
That's it.
Okay guys, so we're back home. The car has made it, and I'm feeling good about this exhaust, man.
It's lovely.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
I know that you're a big fan of M3s and stuff like that, and what do you think of the exhaust overall? You've heard other exhausts. How do you think?
I have. This one is the best so far. That I've
Okay.
heard. I haven't heard many, so I
Nice.
will say that, but so far the crispest.
Yeah.
If that's a word.
Yeah, it is.
5 pizzas out of 5.
5
it's
pizzas
Italian.
out of 5.
That's how I'm rating it.
Yeah, there you go. So I do want to say a quick thank you to TFL Italy for working with us on this exhaust. It's absolutely fantastic, as I just mentioned. So again, if you guys want to check out this exhaust, if you want to buy it for your G87 or the M3 and M4 version, definitely check out their website. The link will be in the description of this video. And of course, using our special discount code, there are 2 units that are 30% off, and they're willing to give 50% off shipping as well. So if you guys want a G87 exhaust, the same one that I sold on this car, act quickly, because once those 2 units are sold for 30% off, my discount code Daily Downshift is going to be for 15% off any of these exhausts. So definitely jump on it if you want it quickly, because once they're gone, they're gone. And I promise you guys, if you get this exhaust, you're going to absolutely love it and have no regrets. It sounds amazing. The variability is awesome because when the valves are closed, it sounds super stealthy. You don't really hear much. It's a little louder than obviously stock, but very, very, you know, tolerable if you're neighborhood driving or whatever. And then as soon as you pop the valves open, insane, absolutely godly, and just terrorizes everything. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe for more content, because soon we'll be uploading a sound compilation of the exhaust with flybys, stationary shots, all sorts of good stuff. So stay tuned for that video, which is coming next, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.